Let's check. Welcome to Sesama Family Business. The Ghost Stock. Let's talk about records. Toku matutia, record over. Toku matutia, everyone di cool. Ungozi omani utia, embuzi agene ribweti ya zera bweti na jibjawan. Eri bweti ya kazari nzaru bweti, italakoza kutawenzua mwande bwemti. Wahina kuba, boina, record, uandika atando basinga. Bakozesa, bitabu. Neba wandika puf, neba wandika mbitabu. Okwandika mbita, chikura na ye. Webuze muchimu, buchi amazi. Chichikora kitla, omukozi wagene nacho. Kozi wamanya bamabaine mitimi mirala agene nacho. Shinja. Biko di ruo damunozi funandi, abasotu watu sabulika sera. Biko di nobonozi funandi. They doesn't go, how do we do it? At Sesanga Mixed Farm. So Sesanga Mixed Farm. Tuchikura tutia. Tufitu kodesa apps. Tuyina software budu kodesa. Vemu remote uwangu software late kosa app. App kijiteka simu. Twina app ibira kwa simu. E trackinga. Embuzi zafe. Tiemuzi traga. Chikumi nemu. Twadinja warno. Yazari wa warno. Mamawayo yuono. E nemezi wejitik. Ediru huto. Tediru huto. Gyunabiu nebimu apu ya tsibibera. Kat. Burimbus. Tuba. Tumani. Chebiriko. Biche. Ichilu jibako. Neweba. Out of the farm. Let us walk to when he's out of the farm. In this app we use, it tracks our animals. If it's off the farm, maybe we have one has died, it has to mark it's off the farm because of which reason. Was it sold? What? Did it die? Was it exchanged? Because we have also that exchange program. When we exchange the males, there's when the male bees too much, then let's say then to other farm, then we get a different male of the same boy from South Africa than the longest. For the problem of incensing, it also happens in goats, in animals, but it happens in human beings. We shall talk about that in our episode about that. Incest in goats. Now, in that app, you get to know when how many goats are expecting, how many goats kidnapped, how many months, how many young ones are you expecting this month? Because that tracks the delivery period. It tracks the treatment of your goat. Now, how you saw in our episodes, the autopsy we did on our goat, all those ones are documented in app. We lost this goat 074. Because of this, treatment was done, autopsy was done, findings was done. Now we applied all treatment to all goats. Now in that app, we go and see it all that treatment. Now we have both sold for the area. We have those medicines. There's a no. If you're watching the other episode we did for the medication after autopsy, the treatment after autopsy, that episode on our TikTok channel, YouTube channel, go watch it. It has those medication. They're all disseminated now. When the season changes, even though we lose that vet or the worker, we still have our app. Our app store is on iCloud. It's no we're gonna lose. Just log in. You can even add fund users, workers, managers, and give them their respective roles. It manages their rights. Is administrator level, worker level. You manage their rights and think the owner of the dog. It manages all that. You get to know what is really happening on your farm. You get to know the view number of the view farm. Leave this farming where we have mud-boarded let us put into. That's modernized farming. Modern farming is only modernized in other countries. It's only us in Africa and in Uganda, the whole thing If it happens somewhere, it can't happen to our own country. No, let us change that mindset. Let us copy from our countries which are developed and put it in our own country. Hands-on. Let us apply it in our own country and see if we can make a change. Let us go back to our app. It helps you track your animals. It reduces the safety levels and increases the security of your farm. Because, no, don't be told. Feel. See. That's what Bobi Wine is. The Jay-Z's look. Now we are looking. Our eyes are open. Let's see. Let's implement. Tugenda ku bigambo oyina embuzi bibi. Ye embuzi omuzi waradi. App is gonna count them for you. The app is gonna that work. One of the other thing the app that has a lot of that's I'm only giving you the hints of the niches, but I can go back into the niche of this the part of tracking. You see, my God, I will find out where it is. The art of tracking, that's security level. I won't go to it. Those who need it, they will contact me. Tracking, just take my God gear, but I will find it on your butcher or on your roster. But when I find it, when they find the site, you're gonna give me a goat and my whole farm. For that security, tracking, reach out to it. Contact us on our booking number for all the details you need to. But find out, know what you invest in, what you're doing. Take a sente muchiokola osamurichigyan etichensi bambagamba. We reap what we sow. If you do sow, good. If you don't sow the right seeds, if you don't invest the right money, if you don't put in enough capital, do stack. What you sow is what you reap. Don't expect a lot when you can't even provide the basics of growing or at your farm. Security is one of the basics you should start with. Having a farm app is something which is a must. Come to Sasanga Nuts Farm, visit us, book our workshop. We're gonna teach you more about farming and God's farm. This is what we do at Sasanga Family Business. Sasanga Family needs farm. This is hands-on. It's hands-on to be a kwakiram, bigi practical, tetukuba, sibigambo, jangula beku. Kamera zafe, easy standard, backups, iCloud, solar, provided over gardens but gardens it. See it? Fully covered. Uchikono utla. Avant will never to this up. Be Uganda. In the garden, the Uganda is a fit, dear Uganda. I'm gonna talk about the medicine you buy about goats and where I should be giving sense of appreciation for those shops, both retail shops, those companies which are doing the good and the best, supplying good drugs for our animals. Yeah, there are some I've tested which are good. There are some, they're not working. What they put on the chemicals on the list is not what is inside. And their reaction to the animals is different. They are either which are good, they really do what they say. It's gonna be a time to bust those out. Tell those people to stop it. For those to stop it, it's time because we're hands-on. We're gonna show you exactly. I'm gonna get you a spray of mace or you rocket and spray it. I'll give gratitude to Nsanja. Yeah, suppliers, their rocket is really working good. I use their rocket at my farm. Newcastle water. We're gonna talk about that in the maize talk. In our maize talk, follow us on our YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. Follow us for our part 2 about the Goats app. Follow us for more. Thank you for listening to the Sasanga Family Business. Follow us on our TikTok channel, on our YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.